Welcome everyone. We're at the Quemahoning Reservoir outside Davidsville here in northern Somerset County. We got lots of traffic going at the intersection here right off the main road. But we're gonna check some stuff out. This is a reservoir. Cambria Somerset Water Authority operates it and manages the land around it. We're gonna start here at kind of the stream coming out of the spillway and coming out of the dam and hike along that a little bit, and then maybe go up a little further where we can actually see the dam and the body of water. It's a pretty good sized body of water that you can canoe and kayak and paddleboard, fish, all that type of stuff on it.
See the stream, how it's eroding the bank right there. See how dirt's just, how it's all caved in there. There's nothing to protect the stream bank there. We probably need to get some riprap in there like they have here to protect it or something.
Actually closed in November and December during hunting season, and I was out here running on the road back during rifle season, and there were a ton of guys just parked everywhere out hunting, so it's a popular hunting area.
It's gonna sound really wild, but there actually could be ticks out because they don't really take any time off.
Oh, it's a record. Okay, we can film about this.
Yeah, we might as well, right?
Yeah.
Get some good shots.
Yeah. How do you flip it? There you go.
Yeah, there you go. All right, now Josh, you're the cameraman.
Get a good shot of it on the camera.
So we drove up a couple miles further. There's multiple places along the trail where you can park your car and access the trail, get on and off the trail. We're a little limited today because of the snow. They didn't really plow out the spot, so we had a tough time finding a place for Aaron's car, but we did get set up and get a place where we can stop. We're walking across this bridge right now. They used to call this the Green Bridge because it was a green, like iron bridge. They replaced it, I don't know, 10 years ago or something, so now it's just a concrete bridge, but people still call it the Green Bridge, and I think it's actually labeled up here Green Bridge Road or something like that. But it's a pretty cool place to stop at the parking lot up there, access the trail. There's a place where you can put a kayak in, down a little bit further from there, and then to my right here is the main body of the Quee Reservoir, and then to my left is actually where the Quee Creek comes in. The Quee Creek is kind of the main water source filling up this reservoir. There's a bunch of other little tributaries and creeks that pour in, but the Quee Creek's the major one that comes in, and it comes in right here at this bridge. We're gonna hike up here a little bit and get to kind of an overlook where we can see the reservoir a little bit better.
They probably think we're from the news. They're probably like, oh, guys, we watched the news story. Look, they got us roads. is actually really turning out well.
I bet that water's cold.
Oh yeah.
Do a polar plunge.
No, I'm good.
I think they do have a polar plunge out here. But I don't know that you want to swim right here. It's not real easy to get in and out. Be a pretty big jump from here. Pretty rocky right down below us too. You'd have to jump out pretty far to not crush yourself on some rocks.
Did you guys see the hornet's nest down there?
Yeah, we were pointing that out. There's a big beehive down there.
Yep.
Yeah, you can see what was the green bridge. You can see the bridge over there that used to be called the Green Bridge because it used to be green, where the Creek comes into the main body of water. It looks like it's flowing toward the bridge, but that's just the wind pushing it right now. There actually is a real mild current coming out under the bridge into the main body of water.
I'd say we got
Pretty good.
plenty of the hike in before it even got windy.
Okay.
Just see what we can come up with for this mushroom. We're going to use the Seek app. It's a part of iNaturalist. I don't know if it'll actually get this, but
Are you posting it to iNaturalist?
not necessarily too oh, it's an oyster mushroom. Let's go. So that's what they look like. Guys, this is the mushroom that I'm trying to grow in my tank. I didn't even know it to look at it. So that's an oyster mushroom.
It actually looks like an oyster. Like, look at this big one right here. It looks.
Yeah, that makes perfect sense now.
It's interesting. I never seen one like that before.
Yeah, it's pretty massive.
Yeah.
Is it edible for humans?
Yeah, you could eat it. This could be some nice pizza topper right there.
Yeah, there you go.
That could support the weight of a frog, actually. Like, touch it.
Yeah, that's pretty substantial stuff.
Yeah. Yeah, that's definitely edible. Somebody was probably cutting some off when they enjoyed that nice Miller High Life.
Yeah.
They're just mushroom eating, not even cooking it, just raw, like straight up Smurf style.
There you go. Right off the log. We had another nice hike out here today. We got to hike along the Spillway Creek for a little bit, and then we got to hike to an overlook where we could see the reservoir, see a little bit where the Quee Creek comes in, the major tributary to the reservoir. We have a loud car coming behind us right now. This road isn't super busy, but there is some traffic on it, so if you're out here hiking or biking or running, do be careful with the traffic. The trail goes the whole way around, but there are some places where you have to come down on the road and cross, especially to get across some bridges and stuff. But it's a nice place to be. During the week like this, it's usually a pretty chill place, not a lot of traffic. It gets a little busier on summer weekends, but it was a nice day to be out. We got it done here before the winds and the rains and the snow come this evening, so an enjoyable day.
Yeah, I thought it was a nice place too. I mean, there's places you can go fishing and you could possibly go in the water if you try not to get real. If you go in an area where the bank isn't real steep, and I think it's just a nice, enjoyable place in the summer to hang out and enjoy the nice breeze coming off the lake even, and hide under some trees, you know, when it's hot out and everything. So I think that's about it.